Hey, I'll check out this coolie. Actually, Michelle and Amon living in this bus, they converted themselves into home on wheels. No shoe policy here. In the front, you have a vintage cockpit from old Mercedes bus. We have a dinette. All these seats are swivel around, so when you drive, you can look forwards. Same as this table, and it transfers into the bed. In the front, you have a home cinema screen, lots of storage. As a kitchen hood, they have a fan that blows out the air. It has a domestic oven stove, lots of storage in the kitchen for cutlery and stuff. For electric, they have 5 kilowatt inverter with 24-volt system batteries. Here you have a fridge with a small freezer. Deep sink with double tap. One has a drinking water with filters inside. Pantry. Here is all electric compartment with batteries and inverter and fuses and a mirror. Right here is all smart home system. DIY blinders that keeps the heat or cold outside. Here is as well curtain that splits living room and bedroom with a toilet. In the bedroom they have a king size bed with another screen for a projector, wardrobe, and behind this door is a bathroom with a roof vent, shower, sink that folds down, and a cassette toilet.